वेलकम टू आवर चैनल यूनाइटेड कोचिंग। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 25 क्वेश्चंस ऑन जनरल नॉलेज। Our first question is Dada Saheb Phalke and Sahitya Academy winner Ratnakar Matkari is posthumously honored by which government? So answer is Maharashtra. On 2nd July 2020, the government of Maharashtra announced that Marathi writer Ratnakar Matkari will be posthumously honored with the Natwarya Prabhakar Panishkar Award for his lifetime contribution to theatre and arts. Our next question is which government has launched Paudhe Lagao Paryavaran Bachao campaign to reduce air pollution? So answer is Delhi government. A mega 17 days tree plantation drive called Paudhe Lagao Paryavaran Bachao has been announced by Delhi government on 2nd July 2020. Our next question is what is e-waste? So answer is when computers, television and other electronic products reach the end of their lives, they end up as e-waste. So e-waste is a health and environmental hazard containing toxic additives and hazardous substances such as mercury, which harms the human brain and other living beings. Our next question is what is the rank of India globally in terms of contributor of e-waste to the society in 2019 as per the recent UN report called Global E-Waste Monitor 2020. So answer is third position. With 3.2 million tons, India was the third biggest contributor of e-waste. Our next question is which country was the highest contributor of e-waste in 2019 according to the UN report Global E-Waste Monitor 2020. So answer is the Global E-Waste Monitor 2020 report found that China with 10.1 million tons was the biggest contributor of e-waste. Our next question is who is the winner of the 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? So answer is Kritika Pandey won 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Kritika Pandey's short story named The Great Indian Tea and Snakes has won the 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Our next question is what is Commonwealth Short Story Prize? So answer is the Commonwealth Short Story Prize is awarded for the best piece of unpublished short fiction story of around 2000 to 5000 words. Our next question is who is added to 2020 Diana Award Roll of Honors? So answer is Freya Takral, who is a Delhi schoolgirl, is added to year 2020 Diana Award Roll of Honors. Takral has been chosen for her Recycler app, a web-based mobile application to connect users with waste handlers. The door-to-door pickup service helps in easy disposal of recyclable waste for those who may not be having the means or time to travel to drop their waste. Our next question is what is the name of recently discovered Jupiter-like planet? So answer is TOI 849b. On 1st July 2020, the researchers spotted a Jupiter-like planet orbiting a distant star. The astronomers named the planet TOI 849b. The planet is located around 730 light years away from Earth. Our next question is which university has developed virtual classroom aid called Mobile Masterji? So answer is IIT Kanpur has developed a classroom to home teaching setup called Mobile Masterji. It will be very helpful to students in rural India. Our next question is who launched toolkit Swachh Sarvekshan 2021 for 6th edition of annual cleanliness survey of urban India? Answer is on July 3rd, 2020, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of State Independent Charge for Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, that is MoHUA, has launched the toolkit for 6th edition of the annual cleanliness survey of urban India called Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. Our next question is what is the function of MoHUA? So answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MoHUA mainly focuses on utilizing the capacity of wet waste processing facilities, cleaning and reusing dirty water and separately collecting the garbage and maintaining it till its processing. Our next question is which bank will offer Zip Drive and online instant auto loans to its customers? The answer is on July 2nd, 2020, the HDFC Bank announced that it will offer Zip Drive instant auto loans to customers in 1,000 cities across India. Our next question is who has launched the Drug Discovery Hackathon 2020? So answer is Union Minister of Human Resource Development Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal and Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Science and Technology Dr. Harshvardhan has launched the Drug Discovery Hackathon 2020. It is the first of its kind national initiative for supporting drug discovery process. Our next question is which body will set up India's first government-sponsored InvIT to appoint senior management for its investment manager board? So answer is National Highway Authority of India, that is NHAI, is undertaking the establishment of India's first government-promoted infrastructure investment trust, that is InvIT, to facilitate investment in highway sector. Our next question is who is credited with the invention of oral polio vaccine? So answer is there are two different kinds of polio vaccine. One is IPV, which is an inactivated polio vaccine in which the virus is killed, and it was developed by Dr. Jonas Salk and was first used in 1955. The other one is oral polio vaccine in which the virus is alive but is weakened, and that was developed by Dr. Albert Sabin and was first used in 1961. Our next question is in which year did India become polio free? So answer is in 2014. India was officially declared polio free along with the rest of the Southeast Asia region. It was a joint task by Indian government in partnership with the Global Polio Eradication Initiative by WHO and Rotary International and UNICEF. Our next question is which countries still have polio disease? So answer is Pakistan, Afghanistan and Nigeria. Despite coordinated efforts by United Nations polio prevention drive in all these three countries, dozens of children become paralyzed and ultimately die from the highly infectious disease every year. Political unrest, poor health infrastructure and government negligence are among the reasons for the failure. Our next question is who is the first non-physician doctor to be elected as the Director General of WHO in its 72 years of history? So answer is Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus was elected as WHO Director General for 5-year term by WHO member states at the 17th World Health Assembly in May 2017. Dr. Tedros is the first non-physician doctor and first African in the role. He is an Ethiopian public health researcher and official. Our next question is who became the first woman to assume the office of WHO Regional Director for Southeast Asia region? So answer is Dr. Poonam Khetrapal Singh, an Indian national, became the first woman to assume the office of WHO Regional Director for Southeast Asia region on February 1st, 2014. Our next question is the WHO and UN Postal Agency released a commemorative stamp in May 2020 to mark the 40th anniversary of the eradication of which disease? So answer is smallpox. Our next question is which state has launched India's first ever FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana? So answer is Madhya Pradesh. On May 11, 2020, the Madhya Pradesh government has launched FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana in Bhopal. Our next question is which foreign country has paid a tribute by naming a street after Rabindranath Tagore on his 159th birth anniversary on May 2020? So answer is Israel. Israel has named a street in Tel Aviv after renowned Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore. Our next question is recently in year 2020 a violent clash broke out between Indian and Chinese soldiers in which valley of Ladakh region? So answer is Galwan Ghati or Galwan Valley. Our next question is prior to 16th June 2020, in which year had the Chinese army crossed the line of actual control and ambushed the patrol? So answer is 1975.